Welcome! In this video, we will be unboxing, playing with, and evaluating the Elise Ecklund signature ukulele with flight. Elise Ecklund is most famous for videos where she's taken hate comments and negativity and turned it into something positive through song.
Your voice sucks, your personality bothers me so much.
Or she's also taught people how to play over 20 songs with 4 chords. I will link some of those videos down below and on the cards. And Flight Music is a brand that I've reviewed in the past, and so far I've enjoyed their ukulele. So today we're going to see if this ukulele meets the standards and if I think it's something that you should invest in. Let's get started. We have confetti in here. This is what the box looks like, and it says stay inspired. It has a beautiful design all over the front and the sides. I don't think I've seen anybody else do a design like this before. That's really cute. Here we are. Okay, flight ukuleles come with a little booklet that has information about them, main chords you should learn, chord progressions, strumming patterns, and contact info. This one comes with a postcard with Elise's photo, and then on the back it has a tab for Elise, and she says, "Here's to sharing joy and spreading inspiration through music. You have the ability to create art and impact others positively. Happy strumming, Elise Ecklund. Stay inspired." That is super sweet. Now looking at the gig bag, this is probably one of the better flight gig bags that I've seen. The front has a Velcro bag that does widen when you open it, and that would fit a small booklet or tuners or anything like that. We have double zipper handles on the gig bag, and then we have an adjustable strap on the back and 2 handles on the side. The gig bag is lightly padded all around the front and the sides. One thing that I like about flight ukulele gig bags is even though they're not padded, they really do carry well. So I could bring this strap all the way to the back, it wouldn't flap around, and I can carry the instrument like this, which is something that I've used quite a bit while traveling. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? Da, 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 da. Oh my good, whoa, look at those fret markers. So let's evaluate the entire instrument. We have a pointed headstock and open geared tuners here. And then around the front, we have the flight logo and Elise's signature here. The nut looks, wow, that looks like very nice, low, comfortable action. Nice job. I am excited for that. Now, action can be too low where it gives you a buzz. So we'll find out in the playing demo how good the action is. Now going down the ukulele, we see the fret markers, and they're diamond shaped, which really kind of tie in with the rosette and the box. So there is definitely some continuity here with the design. We do have the fret markers on the side as well, which you know I love. The neck is rounded, the back is flat. This is a concert-sized ukulele. If you're buying a ukulele for anybody and you're not sure what size to get, concert is the safest size. Whereas soprano is small, a tenor is big, concert is in the middle. This ukulele comes with Aquila super Nalget strings. That's what we have here, which give it a really bright tone. And then we have a mahogany ukulele, which give it a rich tone. So we have bright and rich. It definitely has its own voice. So now we have to find out, does it play well? So let's do a quick playing demo. I did not stretch the strings because I'm kind of curious to see how it does kind of straight out of the box. So let's see. That voice carries for quite a bit. That's quite a long ring for it. I think that there's more at stake with a signature ukulele. So I think Elise was very wise in choosing Flight as the company to collaborate with. I'm sure she could have collaborated with anybody, but she chose Flight. And that was a really smart move because Flight not only delivers consistent quality, but excellent excellent customer service. Anytime that I've sent you all to purchase something from Flight and you've made contact with customer service, they respond to you and you've told me they were very pleasant to you, and that's important. Like, you want your people taken care of because they take care of you. You want them taken care of too. So if you're considering buying this for a person, just do it. Like, honestly, there's nothing wrong with the instrument. It has all of the parts that you would need, and because Elise is such an internet sensation, I think anybody receiving the ukulele would be ecstatic to take part in that and to have their Elise signature ukulele. So major congrats to Elise on this signature ukulele. I hope it's the first of many to come. And if you buy the instrument, or if you have it already, please let us know what you think down below in the comments, because your comments are so important to anybody who's out in the market considering buying. All right, well, that's it. If you have any questions, pop them down below, and have a wonderful day. Eat your vegetables and come back to this channel. See you in the next one. Sayonara!